No matter what kind of business you run, whether it's a local business or an online business or an e-com store, you need traffic. And one of the best ways to get qualified, high quality traffic that converts is to run ads. The only problem is creating high quality ads that convert is hard. This requires a copywriter, a designer, and somebody who knows all about the advertising platforms. Well, that changes today with Adstorm, the AI-powered platform that creates ads for you for every single platform out there, including Facebook, Google, X, and of course, everybody else. So let's get in and check how Adstorm works. So you can see here the recent ads that Adstorm has created. Just so you know, Adstorm can create display ads with images, text ads, and even video ads. To get started, what you want to do first is click on campaigns, and that will show you all the campaigns that are currently available. You can create a new campaign by just clicking on add campaign right over here. Provide the campaign name and a business name. You can put in whatever you want, click on submit, and the campaign is already set up. Now you can just fill in a few details and the Adstorm AI will figure out how to create your ad. So you need things like brand name. I will put Technic Force, or let me promote a single product from our portfolio. What about Cinemation, our latest product? And then you can put in a business profile and a product description. Let me just fill that off screen. All right, so I've filled in the name, the business profile, the product service. It's a video AI product that creates long length videos. Key features and advantages. You can go as detailed as you want. And of course, the business logo, and click on Save Campaign. Next, you can upload any kind of assets you want. That includes any kind of graphics you might have had or any kind of visuals. Let me put in some here to show you. Here we have it, 2 files. Let's upload them. All done. Now you can also scan web pages, and Adstorm can pull out marketing data from there. And we should definitely do that anytime we get this opportunity. So I'm going to put in my URL and then click on scan page. Gonna take just a few seconds. Check this out. It filled all the information you wanted that it could find from the website that you put in. Click on apply to campaign and you're ready to go. Now you can create ads. So when you click on ads over here, you can see that Cinemation lets you choose platforms like FB and Instagram. They're both owned by Meta. They have the same ad formats. Google, YouTube, TikTok, Pinterest, X, Quora, Reddit. And you can even clone a third-party ad. So if you like an ad that you like and you want to use it as an inspiration to create your own ad, you can do that legally. You can just put that ad inside of Adstorm and it will clone it. And of course, I will show this feature to you very soon in detail. Adstorm can also create product mockups, edit your product photo. So if you upload a product photo, it can edit it, change the way you want to change it. And you can also create UGC videos using Adstorm to use on social platforms and to run ads with. Now let's go in and create our first ad. So let's click on FB and Instagram. And the best thing about Adstorm is that it creates the complete ad. Now I've seen other ad platforms in the market. Some of them will create the visual and some of them will help you in copywriting, but there is nothing that totally matches exactly what the platforms need and gives you everything put in one place so that you can just copy and paste it. Now we created Adstorm for real ad agencies, and that means Adstorm creates exactly the specific ad type that you want to upload, and it takes care of all the rules, all the systems, all the requirements of the ad platform. For example, on Facebook and Instagram, you have options like you can place an image ad, a video ad, a carousel ad, a story ad, or Reels ad. And to create, all you need to do is click on create ad. And now you can specify the exact angle you want to use in your ad. And if you can't think of one, don't worry about it, because you can click this button and Adstorm will give you a list of exciting angles to choose from. Check this out. Make 30+ minute videos from a prompt, no camera, no crew. Stop posting random AI clips, create a real story with consistent characters, Hollywood style production on a creator budget, turn your ideas into episodic series, short stitch technology from script to screen in minutes. All of them are exactly tailored to the business that you put in. So nothing out of the ordinary, nothing random. It's all specific. Let's take this angle, the first angle. I really like it. And you can now choose the AI that you want to use to create the ad copy. Now we've got all the best AIs out there, including GPT, Gemini, Grok, Claude, Kimi, which is an all new exciting AI, and DeepSeek. You can use the AI you want. For example, for this one, I will use Gemini, and you can also choose the image generation model you want to use. We've got the best models again: Ideogram, GPT, Flux, Grok, Imagen, and Dream. So Ideogram's a pretty good model. I will use it, and all you need to do now is click on Generate Ads, and Adstorm will take just about 10 to 20 seconds and create the complete ads for you one by one. We'll get back when this is done in just a few seconds. And there you have it, the ads themselves. And remember, I told you that Adstorm is going to give you the complete ads. That's right, not just the visuals. It's got great visuals, of course, but beyond that, Adstorm knows that to place a Facebook ad, you need a series of headlines, you need primary text, and you need link descriptions. And you can put up to 5 variations each for each of them on Facebook, and that's what it exactly gives you. So there are 5 variations to the headlines, like AI movie magic, no camera needed, and you can keep clicking and discovering new headlines. To copy a headline, just copy from here and you can paste it into Facebook right away. If you want to change it yourself, you can change it whatever way you want. If you want to get a new one, generate a new one for this one, just click on the regenerate button and you will get a new headline. And this way you can put up all the 5 different variations that you want to put up for Facebook. All right, now let's talk about the primary text. This is the main body of the ad that's used on Facebook. Again, Adstorm gives you the exact primary text that Facebook needs, and you can edit it using AI. So if you like the option, you can use it as is, but if you want to change it, you can edit it using AI. But Adstorm is not dumb, it's pretty smart about that. So if you want to change things manually, you can make the change you want. Otherwise, you can just tell AI what you would like to change. For example, let me just put in some information here. Can you put in a list of features with emojis? Just ask the AI what you want to do, and again, choose the AI that you want to choose. Click on generate. It takes a few seconds. Let's come back when it's done. And that's already done. So check this out. It put in a list of features in your ad with emojis just the way I wanted it to do, right? So if you're ready for publishing, click on save and your ad is changed. This was the second ad in the series. There I've got it. And you can just copy the text, paste it in your primary text window on Facebook, and you're ready to go. Now let's look at the images that we saw earlier. Unlike other software, Adstorm gives you the exact sizes that you need to run on Facebook. So you've got 3 different sizes because that's what Facebook wants. It wants a square size, it wants a 4:5, which is a portrait size, and it wants a landscape size. And of course the 9:16 portrait ad. Now you've got 3 or 4 visuals automatically done for you, and you can create more visuals with just the click of a button. You get a prompt that you can modify. So this visual prompt is already created for you. And if you want to change anything, like remove it or create a new one, you can do that, update it the way you want. Then you can also select the AI that you want to work with. Again, you've got multiple choices, and you can select the number of images you want to make for every single size. So if you create 1 image for every size, you're going to make a total of 4 images. So just click on this and the images are being created now. And there we have it, some more images for your ads. Take a look at this one. Your story cinematically told, create full-length movies instantly. I think this is a pretty good visual for an ad. It draws attention. Similar size, and this is the portrait size. So similar ethos for many different ads, and you get the text on it too. Now you can also modify ads if you want to with AI. For example, let's put a headline on this one. Click on edit, and you can then instruct the AI to modify it the way you want. For example, something like, I'll put a text prompt. So I've got here, put a big headline on top that says make full-length movies with cinemation. And then you can, of course, change the ratio if you want to, and you can choose which AI you want to work with. For example, let's this time use GPT images. Click on edit image, and it'll take a few seconds and create a new image for you. And there we have it. Your new design with the new caption is ready. Back to results. And you can see we've got all sorts of different variations. You can create all the designs you want and change them the way you want without being a designer. And of course, you get the perfect visual every single time. And your Facebook image ad is ready to deploy exactly the way you want it. Similarly, you can create ads for every single platform out there. In Facebook, you can also create video ads, you can create carousel ads, you can create story ads and reels too. Now, we've already seen some image ads. Let's take a look at video ads. It can create small videos that you can create in advertising. Again, I'm going to use ready-made angles. So I'm going to use just any of them. Let's click on this one or this one. So you get options. Again, you can choose the AI you want to use to create the video. Grok, Kling, Van, Seedance. We've got a number of different options. You can choose the format, landscape or vertical. And once you're ready, you can generate a video. If you want to put in a static image of your own, you can put that in, or you can just click on generate video and wait for the results. We got the video. Let's hit play. A pretty good video for a small ad. You can download it and place an ad with this if you want to. Go back and let's go back and check out some other formats. Let's go to Google this time and let's make a text ad. Remember, Google has these wonderful search ads that can get you a lot of traffic really cheap, and these are high intent ads. So you show them to your prospects when they search for a particular keyword, and with this tool you can actually create search ads too. So again, if you want to use your own angles, you can put them in, or you can get the AI to suggest you the angles as usual. Let it happen. There you got it, multiple angles that you can use, like emphasize cost saving versus traditional production, leads with no filming or editing required. I think I'll go for this one, pretty good angle. And then you can choose the AI. Yep, seen that before. And now just wait a few seconds. And there you have it. You got 15 different variations for the headlines, just as Google wants you to have. All of the headlines are below 30 characters. That's exactly what Google needs. And you've got 15 variations for the descriptions. And if you want to create any images, just click on generate images and you'll be able to create the images and turn them into a display ad. So this is how easy it is to make high quality Google ads for your content, for your product. Let's go back and let's create some more ads. So again, in Google, you also can create display ads. You can create responsive display ads. You can create video ads for YouTube. You can create standard discovery or discovery carousel ads. Adstorm can also create YouTube ads. It can create YouTube shorts, video ads, bumper ads that are display ads or image ads. It can also make discovery ads and masthead ads for YouTube. So all the different formats, again, Adstorm creates perfectly sized, perfectly formatted ads. On TikTok, it can create in-feed video ads, carousel ads, collection ads, hashtag challenge advertisements, spark ads. So yes, you can exploit the best qualities of every single platform out there. On Pinterest, it can make standard pins, video pins, carousel pins, collection pins, idea pins, and quiz pins, right? Let me make a quick pin to show you. And there you have it, 5 different pin title options that you can use in Pinterest because it supports 5 different options and 5 different pin descriptions, and of course, 3 different pin designs. So just what Pinterest needs. Now, for every single platform out there, it's got custom ads just like these. And this gives you a huge opportunity. Look at all these ads. If you've been limiting yourself only to FB or Google, you are missing a great opportunity to get really, really inexpensive and high quality traffic from platforms that have been traditionally neglected. Platforms like TikTok or even Pinterest or X. A lot of people don't advertise on X even though it's got a great audience because they can't make X ads. And with Adstorm, you can make image ads, video ads, carousel ads, and X text ads. Yes, it can write promoted X posts that you can promote. Exactly the format that X wants. That's the point of Adstorm. It saves you all the trouble. And you can even advertise on Quora and Reddit. Think about this. Quora is one of the best platforms for high quality ads. It's got highly targeted SEO traffic, and you can tap into it. You can even create a promoted answer, in which I think is one of the best formats on Quora. So click on create ad, just write a question. You can copy a question from Quora that is popular that you want to target, maybe something in your niche. And I'm going to put something from here just by myself. So this is, for example, a question: how can I create long videos with AI which matches my product's animation? Then you can create an answer using GPT, Grok, or any of the other AIs. Let's go for Gemini this time. Click on generate ad, and in a few seconds you're going to get a perfect ad for Quora promoted answers. And there we have it. Click on read answer to read the actual answer. And you want to change anything, you can. You want to modify it, again, you can do that with AI, or you can copy it and promote it. You've got 5 different options here too, so that you can choose the answer that you want to choose for this purpose. Now let's go back to view all ads and see some more ads, see some more details. You got Reddit too. In Reddit, you can create image ads, video ads, carousel ads, and even free form Reddit posts that you can post to Reddit and promote. So yes, it exploits every single popular ad format on every single platform. But that's not all, because with Adstorm, you can even get elements or inputs that you need to make an awesome ad. And that means product mockup. So if you have a product that you want to create a mockup for, you can do that easily with Adstorm. So let's do that. Let's make a mockup, a t-shirt, and let's put our logo on it. So we got this animation logo here, and you can then choose instructions like put the logo on the center of the t-shirt, whatever you want, and then you can choose the output format. I think I'll just let it be and click on generate output. And you've got this nice artistic t-shirt that carries your logo. You can also edit product photos with AI. So if you want, you can pick up a photograph, let's say for example this one, and you can give instructions to edit the product photo. This is a technical photo, could be a bit harder to edit, but let's try. Okay, so I've just given some basic instructions. And there we have it, exactly what I wanted. So you can of course make your own sensible edits based on the product that you've got. Let's go back to the ads. And next you can create a UGC video. So when you click on UGC video, you get a number of different people to choose from, people of all kinds of ethnicity, all kinds of country, every single image that you can think of. Of course, you can bring in your own image too, but let's just pick up someone. Let's pick up this doctor or nurse and click to configure. And now you can give it a prompt. You can put in details of what you would like this character to say. So I put in some text, say, listen, I'm a doctor, but if I needed to produce videos, I would use Cinemation. It's the best AI video maker. Or you can get your own idea, get your own angles. Of course, if you want to, you can choose resolution. You can choose how long the video should be. And then you can choose the AI that you want to use. Kling is pretty good. Click on generate video and then just wait a few seconds. There we have it. Let's take a look.
I don't make videos, but if I did, I'd use Cinemation. It's the best video making AI.
So this is how you can make UGC videos too. Alright, now let's take a look at a cool feature, clone ads, that I told you about earlier, that lets you clone other people's ad and make your own. So I'm going to go to Facebook and find an ad that I like. How about this one? I think the screenshot's pretty good, so I will just take it. I'll capture this part, and now it's somewhere on my computer, so let me just get it. Alright, so come back to Adstorm, and I can just upload it like this, and Adstorm will analyze it. Click on analyze, and it's gonna analyze it and create an ad for you that is just like this. So you've got the headline, turn your photo into stunning slideshow video, target audience, and visual style. So configure and generate, and then you can choose what platform you want to target. Like Facebook is just fine, and you can choose the aspect ratio. So we can maybe make a square ad out of this. So generate my version, and let's see what Adstorm gives us. So check this out, similar ethos, ease of creativity, and you've got the ad variations too. Multiple ad variations that you can select if you want to. So you've got similar ethos. It's not a copy, but it's got the similar eye-catching color, similar layout, and you can use it without any problems. And remember, it's custom made for you. So you've got the headline, you've got the body, all the things that you need to place that ad. So this is Adstorm. It supports all the major ad networks, and it supports all the different ad types out there, and it gives you perfectly done ads that you can just copy and paste into your favorite platform and start running your ads instantly. In the last 10-15 minutes, we created dozens of ads and we didn't need to do more than just click a few buttons. So if you're ready and excited to get started with your ad journey, get Adstorm now and we'll see you inside.